Alright, buckle up traders, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the treacherous terrain of the financial markets. You think you've got what it takes to be a trading wizard? Well, grab your wand or your laptop and let us dive into these 12 mindsets. Strategies that LL have you casting spells on those charts faster than you can say stonks only go up. First up, let's talk about the market being a mirror. Yeah, you heard that right. It's not out to get you. It's just reflecting your own fears, greed, and that massive ego you've been lugging around. So, next time you're about to rage quit after a losing trade, take a deep breath and pull out that emotional diary. Trust me, it's not as lame as it sounds. You'll start seeing patterns in your behavior faster than you can spot a pump and dump scheme. 2 good traders are actually cowards. Yep, you read that right. While you're out there YOLOing your life savings on meme stocks, the real pros are playing it cool, calculating risks like they're solving a Rubik's Cube. When the market's looking spicier than your ex's Instagram, they're trading small. It's all about that defensive discipline, baby. Think of it like wearing a helmet while riding a unicycle. You might look silly, but at least you won't crack your skull open. 3. Speaking of looking silly, let's talk about trading systems. There's no one-size-fits-all here, folks. You can't just copy someone else's system and expect to become the next Warren Buffett. That S, like trying to wear your grandpa's dentures, it's just not gone nah fit right. You gotta build your own system that vibes with your personality and risk tolerance. It's like crafting the perfect burrito. Everyone's got their own secret sauce. 4. Most legendary traders have burned through more accounts than you've had hot dinners. That's right, they've been knocked out by the market more times than a rookie boxer. But here's the kicker. Those early failures, they're like the montage in a Rocky movie. They're building character, teaching risk management, and basically turning you into a trading terminator. So next time you blow up your account, just think of it as leveling up. 5. Let's talk about losing, because let's face it, we've all been there. But here's the secret sauce. Losing fast is actually a strength. Yeah, you heard me right. Do one be that guy who holds on to a losing trade like it's the last slice of pizza. Cut those losses faster than you swipe left on Tinder. The pros, they see losses as normal, like finding a hair in your food at a fancy restaurant. It happens. You deal with it. You move on. 6. Now, I know what you're thinking, but losses suck. Well, guess what? The market's trying to teach you something, so pay attention. Each loss is like a stern lecture from your high school math teacher. Painful, but necessary. Think of that pain as tuition for your trading education. You're not failing. You're evolving. Like a butt, with more charts and less cute animations. 7. Alright, time for a superpower reveal, patience. Yeah, I know. It sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry. But trust me, it's more powerful than you think. The market always has opportunities, but they're not always for you. It's like waiting for the perfect wave as a surfer. You don't just paddle out there and hope for the best. You wait for the right conditions instead of trading out of boredom or FOMO. Remember, FOMO is the mind killer, the little death that brings total obliteration of your account. 8. Here, a mind bender for you. Your ego and your trading results are not the same thing. Mind blown, right? A losing trade doesn't mean you're a loser, just like winning the lottery doesn't make you a financial genius. The goal isn't to be right all the time, it's to trade well. It's like playing chess. Sometimes you sacrifice a piece to win the game. So stop trying to be right all the time and focus on trading well. 9. Now, let's talk about discipline. You might think you're the next Einstein of trading, but if you can't stick to your rules, you're more like the village idiot. Many traders are smart enough to split atoms but still lose money faster than a drunken sailor on shore leave. Why? Lack of discipline. Successful traders stick to their rules like they're super glued to them. It's not about being a genius, it's about being consistent. Like brushing your teeth, it's not exciting, but it keeps you from losing all your well. You get the idea. 10. Time for some homework, kids. Start journaling. And no, I don't mean writing Dear Diary. The market was mean to me today. I'm talking about recording your trades, your emotions, your thoughts. It's like being your own therapist, but cheaper. This helps you recognize your psychological patterns faster than you can spot a bull trap. You'll improve gradually, like a fine wine or a well-aged cheese. Or maybe more like a trader who's finally figured out which end of the chart is up. 11 now. Here's a skill that might seem counterintuitive. Sitting still. Yeah, you heard me. The market rewards patience more than constant action. It's like fishing. Sometimes you just gotta wait for the big one. Holding a good position or waiting for the right moment is like having a secret weapon. It's sustainable. It's powerful. And it doesn't require you to stare at charts 24/7 like some kind of sleep-deprived zombie. 12. Last but not least, let's talk about evolution. No, not the kind where we grew opposable thumbs. I'm talking about adapting to the ever-changing market. There's no unchangeable secret to trading success. It's all about adaptation and long-term training. You've got to be like water, my friend. Flexible, adaptable, and able to take on any form, or at least able to not drown in the sea of red when the market decides to take a nosedive. So there you have it, folks. 12 mindset strategies that'll turn you from a trading zero to a market hero. Remember, the journey of 1,000 pips begins with a single trade. Now go forth and conquer those charts. May the trends be ever in your favor.